detriment the discoveries made by science. And at the end of the day, a discovery itself is not moral. It's our application before, where the person could rattle off a bunch of facts. At the end of the day, I want the person who could figure stuff out. And science...
Say if we're trapped on an island.
Exactly.
We do everything we can. We should do everything we can to pursue it, but at the end of the day, we should always remember that whoever is facing us, whatever has happened...
to digital dormitories. But I think at the end of the day, I think we will still need one lecture hall in our...
The court process is taking place. And I'm very sure at the end of the day, we'll find them and we'll put them where they need to court. And so I went through the very legal process because at the end of the day, the prison authorities will want to check whether indeed you have been there or not.
Mix of forces of politics and culture and economics that shapes these places. At the end of the day, you can go and you can visit them. You can walk around them. When I got an iPhone, I was not only sitting in front of my screen all day, but I was also getting up at the end of the day and looking at this little screen that I carried in my pocket.
Because at the end of the day, it could, if necessary by force, get its own way.
Whereas different degrees of freedom, including movable hands. But at the end of the day, how do we tell these robotic arms what to do?
Like votes like this, you can analyze them to death, but at the end of the day, we came up short. That's my fault, no one else's, certainly not Linda's.